Frontier 1286. We're going to have to return to the airport and shut down an engine.
Frontier Flight 1286, roger. Are you looking for vectors to the airport or you want left traffic? Is this an emergency?
We're going to need vectors back to the airport.
Frontier Flight 1286, roger. Contact departure 119.2.
19-2, thank you.
Frontier 1286, you on?
Frontier 1286, we're with you. Level at 4,000 right now.
Frontier 1286, Phoenix approach, roger. Phoenix altimeter 2974. I understand you need to go back to Sky Harbor. Fly heading 110.
Heading 110, Frontier 1286.
Frontier 1286, the Phoenix altimeter 2974. Do you need to stay at 4,000 or could you continue to climb?
Stand by on that.
Frontier 1286, I need you to make that turn heading 090 now. You're going into 5,000 foot MVA. If you're able to climb and maintain at 6,000.
We'll go up to 6,000, we'll let you know. We're not able right now, Frontier 1282.
Maintain 4,000, United 1047, turn right heading 270.
Right turn heading 270, United 1047.
United 1047, expedite your climb, traffic 12 o'clock and 1 mile at 4,000 is an Airbus 321.
Yeah, we're climbing, he just went beneath our nose.
And thank you, United 1047, you could turn back, fly heading 110 when able direct broke.
Did you say right turn 110?
United 1047, thank you, it's going to be a left turn heading, left turn heading 100 now.
Alright, left turn heading 100 and when able direct broke, United 1047.
Frontier 1286, low altitude alert, check your altitude immediately. The MVA in your area is 4,000 and turn left heading 080.
Left turn 080, Frontier 482.
For Frontier 1286, Frontier 1286, I need you to climb and maintain 4,000. The MVA in your area is 4,000.
Alright, climb maintain 4,000, Frontier Flight 1286.
Frontier 1286, what is the nature of an emergency if you have time, sir?
Yes, sir. We're in the process of shutting down an engine.
Roger that. Frontier 1286, thank you. And expect runway 25 left. Phoenix altimeter 29er, Christian, expect runway 26. The Phoenix altimeter 2974.
2974 on the meter, Frontier 1286.
Frontier 1286, thank you. And just be advised, Sky Harbor Airport is going to be at your 11 o'clock and 9er miles.
All right, field and sight, Frontier Flight 1286.
Thank you.
United 1047 is direct broke now.
And United 1047, thank you. Climb maintain by level 210. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, no problem. And we're climbing 210, United 1047.
United 1047, actually, before you go to direct broke, I need you to fly heading 090 just to keep you clear of some other traffic. 090 on the heading, I'll get you direct broke here shortly.
All right, no worries. Left turn heading 090, United 1047.
And Frontier 1286, when you get a chance, if I get the souls on board and fuel remaining in minutes, please.
Yes, sir. Frontier for 1286.
November 325, Mike Whiskey, Phoenix, departure radar contact, climb maintain 15000. I'm sorry, climb maintain 15000.
Climb maintain 15000, Mike Whiskey.
Frontier 1286, vectors for Sky Harbor, fly heading 050.
050. Heading Frontier 1286.
Frontier 1286, thank you. And your altitude is good where you're at now, thank you. I'll get you descending here shortly, sir.
Roger that, thank you. We may need to, we're finally calming down here. We may need to grab a vector or two to run an overweight landing checklist as well.
Roger that. If you do, you know what, we'll just go ahead and go with a 070 heading for now. Flighting 070.
That's perfect, thank you. 070 heading Frontier Flight 1286.
Frontier 1286, I understand you're busy with your checklist there. When you get a chance, if you give me the souls on board and fuel remaining in minutes.
Yeah, Frontier 1286, we have 235 souls on board.
When you get the fuel remaining in minutes, that'd be great, sir. And Frontier 1286, how much longer do you need to stay on this heading?
Another maybe minute or two.
Fine. Frontier 1286, just short delay vector, fly heading of 110.
Heading of 110 Frontier Flight 1286, and thanks for working with us. We are busy here.
No worries, that's fine. And just advise when you need me to turn you back towards the airport. I'm just going to try to keep you at that 4,000-foot area there. That way I could keep you in my sky here.
Okay, yes, sir. We'll like.
Frontier 1286, just be advised I could keep you on that heading for the next 20 miles or so, and then we'll turn you back around. You got plenty of time. Whenever you're ready to go in, just advise.
It's good for now, Frontier Flight 1286. You say the runway we're expecting again for Frontier 1286?
Frontier 1286, you can expect runway 26, information Yankee is current. The winds are going to be 250 at Niner. The Phoenix altimeter 2975.
2975, we're expecting runway 26, Frontier Flight 1286.
Frontier 1286, just advise when you're ready to start coming back in. Like I said, I just got you some delay vectors so you can figure out whatever you need to. Just advise when you're ready to make your way back towards the airport.
Yes, sir, and we certainly appreciate you. We are closing in on our final checklist here, and we'll be with you momentarily to turn around and come back in.
Roger that. And Frontier 1286, traffic alert, traffic 11 o'clock, less than a mile, 3,800. It's a VFR aircraft, he should be descending. Frontier 1286, roger that. The traffic is at 3,800. Just hold your altitude or above, 4,000 or above. Thank you.
Roger that. 4,000 or above, Frontier 1286.
Frontier 1286, for planning purposes, which engine is out, the left or the right?
The right one is out, Frontier Flight 1286.
Just to let you know, we are going to request the fire department check our brakes after we exit the runway and follow us in. We will be landing heavy.
Roger that. I think they're planning on that, but I'll make sure we pass that along, sir.
And obviously to check out that engine as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Affirmative. They'll be rolling out with you. Frontier 1286, turn left heading 290, join the final. You cleared visual approach runway 26.
To join final, cleared for the visual approach runway 26, Frontier Flight 1286.
Frontier Flight 1286, contact tower 134.85. Have a good night.
Thank you very much, sir. Frontier 1286. Tower, good evening. Frontier Flight 1286. We are with you, visual runway 26 outside Bruin.
Frontier Flight 1286, Phoenix Tower, wind 240 at 11, runway 26, cleared to fly.
Runway 26, cleared to land, Frontier Flight 1286.
Frontier 1286, fire commands on frequency with the ability to transmit and receive.
Yes, sir, appreciate that. We will be landing heavy, and I'd like them to check out our brakes after we exit the runway, and also the number 2 engine. We did not have indication of a fire, but we did have to shut it down.